Hey, Cabin Joe here, founder of It's Cabin Time. Meet the Lake Sullivan cabin, 145 feet of private shoreline, a detached billiards barn with a slate pool table, and a breezy screened porch bar. If you're searching for Hillman and Brainerd, Minnesota area lakefront cabins, this amazing vacation cabin delivers sleeps 9, 2 king bedrooms, a big deck, and a private dock ready for your boat or rented kayaks. Morning swims, sunset casts, and an honest digital reset make it easy for Cabintimers to reconnect. Here's the best part. When you book directly with the owner, John, you skip the travel site fees every single stay. That's more budget for bait, bikes, and ice cream. His JML Vacation Rental Management Company keeps service personal, and we keep it simple. I built rentminnesotacabins.com so Cabintimers can browse with confidence. We vet every cabin, cottage, lodge, and home we list. Ready to plan? Send an inquiry to John today, then keep exploring our growing selection of northern Minnesota cabins and resorts at rentminnesotacabins.com. It's cabin time, folks. See you on the dock.